What's going on, guys? My name is Chris Chan, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And today we're going to talk about 4 things you can do to create stronger offers. How do you create an offer that is going to turn, that prospect into a customer? And so we're going to get into it. Number 1, you got to have an offer. What's your offer? Do you even have an offer? Is there something that you have that is like ongoing, that you've done a couple of times? Is there something that you can think of to get people to turn into customers? So this could be like, I know in our adult day center, we have a free guest pass. That helps get people through the door, but it doesn't necessarily turn them into paying customers. So could it be something else? Could it be a certain number of days that you'll include on their first month? Could it be a certain number of some sort of package that they could get that offers them, a different rate if they're part of this package? What is the offer? So make sure that you have come up with ways in which you think your customers could benefit from. What is it that they want? Is it, additional services that they would like? If they purchase so much in advance, they can have a package, and the package may be at a reduced price. But again, all these things I'm talking about, they're not discounting, okay? I'm just saying, what is a way that you can add value, okay? So number 2, when I say never discount, I mean, don't run specials on 20% off, 50% off, half off this, half off that. You don't want to become a discount care provider. No, you are a premier care provider, and people need to know that. And look, I always say you cannot put a discount on care, period. There's ways in which I can offer reduced rates because someone pledges to use our services for a certain number of times per month. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm saying, hey, look, you're willing to use us for that many times per month, and I'm willing to offer a reduced rate in exchange for that. That's fair. But I'm not offering a discount. You got to find ways to add value. Could the offer include things such as free hair and nails? Could the offer include things such as discounted help with showers? Could the offer include certain other things that you could do within your center that aren't going to cost you a lot of money, that you can just throw in for free as a way to add value? Okay, so make sure that you never discount. Don't use the word discount. Don't say discount. Just stay away from it, okay? Add value. How can you add value? What can you add to your suite of services without discounting? And number 3 is the offer has to be different. If you run the same exact offer year in and year out, every single week, every single month, it's gonna get burned out. People are just gonna not pay attention to it anymore, and it just is not gonna have the same conversion ratio that it once did. So how do you spice it up? Maybe you introduce new themes. Maybe you play into the seasons. You just take the offer that works, the offer that you figured out, hey, this is the offer that works, and you repackage it, put a different bow on it, add maybe a seasonal flair to it. Maybe it has to do with your demographics. Maybe it's an offer that caters specifically to the female caregiver, like the adult child, so basically the daughter who's taking care of mom and dad. Maybe it caters to the spouse who's taking care of their husband, or the spouse is taking care of their wife. The offer might be demographic specific, and it may also have a different flavor. Maybe you do something different for the month of for Christmas, as opposed to the Happy New Year, as opposed to Valentines Day, okay? Like maybe you have something catering to that, taking care of the caregiver, let us take care of your loved one so you can take care of you. I don't know, something like that. Play into those things, but take the offer. The offer stays the same no matter what. It just gets a different package. You throw a different theme on it. You have your graphic designer make something different based on that theme. So it looks different, but it's the same offer. Don't tell anybody. And last but not least, gotta put a deadline on it. It's gotta be you gotta take advantage of the offer by this date. If you don't take advantage of the offer by this date, it expires. You gotta find a way to create a sense of urgency, to encourage someone to purchase or make the decision to act, because otherwise they won't. They'll just sit there and the offer will go by. Oh, they'll probably, they'll have a new one. Oh, you gotta have a deadline. Hey guys, 5 more days left before, this offer expires. Make sure you get in on this holiday season's, BOGO event, whatever it is that you're offering to, your members. You gotta come up with something that is going to entice them to, oh shoot, I don't want to miss on that deal. Oh, I got 5 more days. It makes them call, that makes them respond to the email, or that makes them inquire to actually act on the offer. Okay? All right, 1 more day left, 5 hours left, 3 hours left, 1 hour left. Look, people need someone to help guide them to the decision table because they got so much crap coming at them. They have so many different things from so many different angles that they're having a hard time making a decision. So if you can put a sense of urgency and put a deadline with an expiration date to this offer, it's going to increase your conversion ratio simply because you are guiding the customer to a decision that they already want to make, they just haven't acted on. It's that easy. So get yourself an offer. Make sure that you never discount. Don't put discounts on it. Just add value. Make a different one every single month, put a deadline to it, and watch your conversions increase. All right, guys, make sure you join us on our monthly webinars, join our private Facebook group, check out all of our videos. If you're interested in learning more about opening your own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like to open up your very own Active Age, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.